Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to resolve if you're having an issue with an applications on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer that reads this file does not have an app associated with it for performing these actions. Please install an app, or if one is already installed, create an associations in the default app settings page. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and dito sa search for app, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung registry editor, and then kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. Okay, so once na open mo na tong registry, so before you proceed in the registry, I would suggest you to create a backup file. So if anything go wrong, you could easily restart it back. In order to create a backup, so it's very simple. All you have to do is to select lang yung file dito sa taas. So click mo lang yan. And then select mo lang dito yung export. And then pop up itong export registry file, and then kailangan mo lang mag-select dito kung saan mo isi-save yung file. In order to create a file name, so kailangan mong ilagay yung date. Right? So file name must be with a date. And then next step, i-click mo lang dito yung save. Alright? And then if you needed to import it back, so kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to select ulit dito yung file dito sa taas. And then select mo lang dito yung import. And next step, dito sa import registry file. So kailangan mo lang i-locate dito kung saan mo sinave yung file. And then i-click mo lang dito yung open. Alright, so proceed na tayo. So ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung HK classes root. Okay, ito siya. So double click ka lang. And next step ay kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung ln key file. So makikita mo dito na small letter lahat. And next step, so kailangan mo lang mag one time click. So click mo lang yan. And dito lang sa right pane panel mga kaibigan ay kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung IS shortcut. Okay, so ito siya. So ang next step din ang gagawin natin dito, kapag wala kang nakitang IS shortcut, so pwede kang mag-create. So kung paano ba yan mag-create, so kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung new, and then yung dito sa key, select mo lang dito yung dword 32-bit value, and then dito sa new value ay kailangan mo lang i-rename ito ng IS shortcut. Alright? So ganoon lang po kasimple. Okay, so proceed na tayo. So ang next step, so kailangan mo lang i-select and double click lang yan. And then dito sa kanyang edit string, and then kailangan mo lang i-double check yung kanyang value name na IS shortcut. And then dito sa kanyang value data, kapag may nakita kang nakalagay dyan na number 1, so kailangan mo lang yung i-delete. So naka-maintain lang siya na walang nakalagay dito sa value data. Kapag mayroon, kailangan mong i-delete, and then i-click mo lang dito yung OK. Alright, so after dito, and then kailangan lang natin mag-back. So back lang tayo, and then close lang natin tong registry, at dito lang sa start menu, and then kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix this file does not have an app associated with it error on Windows. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.